Hello guys, welcome. My name is Ransom Victor and I am your instructor in this video editing course. Okay, so the app we are going to be using is called CapCut, and in this video, which is our first video, we are going to look at the introduction to the app before we start doing project on it. Okay, so this is the app. This is the app. It is called CapCut, and I believe you have it already installed. So I'm going to go ahead to open my app just by tapping on the app. Yes. So we're on our CapCut app now. I will leave in the description the link that you will follow to download this app in case you have not done so. Quickly go to your Play Store to download the app. This is the logo of the app. Download it and watch this video to the end. So let's talk about everything we have on our screen. At the top here, you can see what we have here. So let's divide this screen into three. Let's divide this into three. So let's call this 1, let's call this 2, and let's call this 3. And so the first one here, the Fox bus, this Fox bus, as you can see, if you toggle this expand button, just tap on it, you can see other tools on it. You can see other tools inside the expand button. Here you can sign in your account. We have notification and we have our settings, and here we have photo editor. You can edit your photo here. We have a camera, we have auto cut, we have AI poster, we have AI model. For enhancer, we have retouch. We also have here, we have background remover, where you can remove your background. We can't cover everything here. We can't cover everything we have here. You need to subscribe to our channel so that you can be able to follow us as we go on this video, so that you don't miss any of my upload when I begin to explain each of these tools. Let us go on. The next thing we want to talk about is the new project. So if you want to create a new project, what do? You tap on the new project to create a new project and start editing your videos. So this other side, everything you are seeing here, these are the projects that I've worked on. These are the projects that I've worked on. Any project you worked on would arrange themselves here on this panel. If you tap on these three dots, it will give you option either to rename or duplicate or to delete a project. So let's tap on new project to see what we can actually do on this app. That is what I'm going to do now. If you tap on new project, it will give you option to select a video that you want to work on, or a photo that you want to turn into a video. Those are the two options that we have here. So what I will do now is to select any of these video to show you how we can edit any of these video. What I will do now is to tap on any of these video and to select it, then show you how to edit this video. So to add your video, simply tap on it, which is selecting it. When you select it, go to down here. People go to the down here, and you will see it has added. And you will see here, you said add. So go down here, you can see add one. If you tap, if you tap another one, you will see add two. If I should tap on another one, the add will appear at 2. Everything I'm selecting will be adding up here. So I have 1, I have 2. We now have the add. So when you have the videos you want to edit, let's say I have 2 or 3 videos. So everything you have selected, just tap on the add to add it to your timeline. We have our timeline here. I'm going to tell you everything that is on this interface so that you can start editing your videos. So here, let's talk about what we have here. So let's divide our screen, our interface screen. Let's divide this. Let's call this another area and call this another area and call this another area. So let's call this place 1, we call this place 2, we call this place 3. So pay attention so that you won't miss out. And if you haven't liked this video, please like this video if this video is helpful. So let's continue. Let's continue. Here we have a cancel button. If you want to cancel this project and go back to the home page, but your project will be saved. And here we have option 2. It's giving you option to download this CapCut to your PC if you want to download it on your laptop. Then we have our 1080 PC, that is resolution, to save your video. And here we tap to export your video. Here is our preview section. Everything we have here shows you the video you are working on. Then here we have the full screen. If you want to view this your project on a full screen mode, you just tap on it and you can see your full screen, and you tap on it to go back again. Then the next thing we have is the play button. If you tap on that, it will give you option to play your video. This one is talking about keyframe. We talk about that later. Then here is undo. Let's say I trim my video and I want to go back and undo it to go back to previous correction. I will tap it to undo that. Here is the redo button. We'll talk about all this when we start using this for editing our videos. So let's talk about other things we have here. This tells you the minute or the seconds of your minute. This here is to mute the the audio of your video. The audio of your video, if you want to unmute it, this is where you tap. Then here is the cover. The first thing the people see once they see your video, that is that of the cover. When you upload it online, that cover will be what people will see before they click the video. For an instance, let me show you an example of this. For instance, you see this, you see this, you see this. Yeah, this the work of the cover, that cover that we just talked about now. Now let's return back to our interface. Let's go back to our interface. That the cover will show, that is what it does. The first thing the people see once they see your video, that is that of the cover. When you upload it online, that cover will be what people will see before they click the video. So what we have here, this is our video layer. We call it timeline. If you see under here, we have audio. You can actually add audio as you are editing. Okay guys, if you are getting value on this video, please subscribe to my channel. That is all I need from you. So let's move on. The next thing we talk about here is this plus button. If you want to add another project or another video, you just tap on that. So if you tap on that, it will take you to your folder to select a video to your project. That is what that plus button is all about. So the next thing we want to talk about here now, the next thing we want to talk about are these tools that are downside here. Now if you notice here, these tools work with our timeline. As you can see, we see this because this is not selected, the timeline is not selected. Anything you tap on here, it changes down here. Since we haven't select anything here, nothing will change here. If I should tap on this, I should be able to trim, cut my video. Here we can add audio, sound, or music, or background sound to our video. Here we can add text. Here we can add overlay. Here we can add effect. And this is the ratio. Then if you scroll this way, you will see other tools that are still inside. If you scroll, you will use your hand to scroll like this. You will see other tools that are still at the right hand side. If you scroll left hand side like this, you will see other tools. See other tools that are here. You can see other options. Here we have captions, we have aspect ratio, we have filters, adjust. Let's talk about these things separately. If I tap on this, so if I should tap on the edit, it will give me option to split my video. Wherever this is called playhead, this is a playhead, wherever it is. If I want to split my video, you can simply take your playhead. I can use my finger to go this way and this way, and then I will come down here to split or to add speed or to add animation or style. There are so many things we do with this app, and if you go like this, if you still scroll like this, you will still see other tools for this that we have selected. So we can still either delete, we can enhance the audio. There are many things we can do with this app, so we will talk about it later on, but not in this video. So I just want to introduce us to the app so you will know what this app is all about. So let's go on. Here you can add audio, text, overlay, effects, caption, the ratio, the aspect ratio. So that is that on this app. These are the things you can use with this app. You can add effect, layers, everything you want to do. You can add auto caption to your video. Those are the things you can do on this app. We are going to be talking about these tools differently. We won't be able to finish it now because this will take us a whole day if we want to do that. So thank you for staying true. See you on the next video.